to say here, if you look into that, what I'm asking you to understand are the impact of manufacturing activities on the society. Just before our head of department mentioned about the GDP and that kind of information, yeah, which is nothing but, as I said, manufacturing, any society, any nation, with this activity, manufacturing activity, always people are getting benefited. What it is? Yes, we are creating the material wealth for the piece of the nation or the humankind or humans. At the same time, what we are doing, we are consuming a lot of materials, raw materials, semi-finished or finished goods, and that is where we are consuming resources. And at the same time, we are generating a lot of waste. That's why I gave the previous slide, you to get the manufacturing waste, how much we are generating. Of course, those figures are, globally. I didn't get, specific figures for the regional, industry or local industry. However, that is going to give you an idea. Approximately, you can imagine, in the local industry, what could be the materials, in terms of manufacturing waste we are generating time to time. And in addition to that, what you can pick up here, thanks for the Google images, just, for the sake of you to get, a bit, interested towards the seminar, I used, Google images. Of course, I'm not using these for any commercial purpose or the business purpose. That's why, specifically, though I didn't put up that source here, wherever you are seeing these images, for the sake of training, for the sake of knowledge only, I brought these, images, but not for the commercial or business purposes. If you are going for the business or commercial purposes, definitely you have to quote the source, otherwise it is illegal. Yeah? No need for me to tell. But coming back to our discussion, materials wastage and end of the life. Here, that is where EOL stands for the end of the life. What we are doing, that's where I said extreme conditions in terms of the weather throughout the globe worldwide, and that is where the products what we are manufacturing at the end of the life, after consumption, if we are not properly treating, so environmental degradation, and we are threatening the environment more or less, directly or indirectly. So if we are going to take care of these issues or the challenges one time, while we are designing the systems or while we are designing the products, that is where we are talking about sustainability.